You probably have seen all these people on social media that tell you that you go to Canva, create your personal digital product and sell it and earn $30 a day and become rich like that. Well, I would say it's definitely possible to create digital products, but it's maybe not as easy as it seems. And I would like to show you here how you can create your own ebook, uh, not only with your personal touch, but with some tools that help you to create it and actually without generating any costs for you. So what we're going to do is an ebook that will be in PDF format that you can actually sell on different platforms. And I just give you a kind of overview what is possible and how easy it actually is or how difficult it is. So first of all, you need an idea of what kind of book you want to do. So first of all, is it a book that you would like to sell, or is it maybe something that you would use to attract people to your email list, a leads magnet? So this will of course define a bit the size of the product that you want to create. These are questions that you have to answer first. Once you know what type of book you want to create and how big it should be, then you can start creating. And of course, nowadays we have great tools that you can use, and one of them is artificial intelligence. So now one important thing I would like to tell you is that it's one thing to use artificial intelligence to actually create your ebook. It's a totally different thing if you let AI write your ebook, because it's not the same. And I honestly feel bad if I kind of sell or promote a book that has been written by artificial intelligence. I can't really claim it to be my personal creative product. So that's why I would suggest that you use AI to help you to build the product, and then that you write it at the end by yourself. So let's get started. So the first thing you should do is to take your idea and then use AI to help you refine it. You can start a brainstorming session with your AI and help it to try to break down things. So I went to use DeepSeek, which has the advantage of being totally free to use. You can use ChatGPT or Grok or whatever AI. Find the one that works best for you. So let me just go to DeepSeek here. So I entered this prompt. I would like to write an ebook on the topic of trading cryptocurrencies. Could you create an outline for me? So when I say create an outline for me is a kind of chapter structure, and then DeepSeek will actually provide me such a structure. Let's see what it generated. So there's an introduction, understanding cryptocurrencies, getting started with crypto trading, fundamental analysis, and so on and so forth. You see you have several chapters, and what is important is that these chapters, these ideas, is a kind of first approach to the ebook that you want to create. Now you take that, you maybe copy paste it into a Word document or a Google Docs document or whatever, and you start to adapt these ideas. This gives you the kind of basic structure for your ebook. So now you have a structure, you have actually chapters, and you have in each chapter some subtitles. And now what you have to do is to take each of these subtitles and try to come up with content. So of course this is not always easy, and you don't know always everything about that, but again, you can use AI to actually help you understand, help you do the research. I mean, why would you do the research by yourself? AI makes it much faster and much better than you. So on each chapter, start a brainstorming session with AI, try to define what content, what learning objectives you want to include in each of these sections, and then simply start to fill. And like that, step by step, you create your ebook, the content of your ebook, and that's actually almost the most difficult part of your job. So I won't go into too much detail how you write and how you structure the thing. Just make sure that the sentences are yours, that they are not copy pasted from AI, and make sure that when you take a source that you reference it as a source. Try to be professional. Don't go the easiest way possible. So now that we have the content of our ebook, how do we actually format it? How do we make a PDF with that? So, and there again, you can try to do it, for example, in a website like Canva that allows you to make nice design and so on. But there are much simpler ways to do it, and you can actually just use your text editor that you use usually, maybe a more advanced editor like Word, like Google Docs. I use OpenOffice Writer because this is a free software that I use on all my computers. And I just show you what I did. I created a little ebook myself. So let me go there with you. So this is an ebook I created, and actually it's an ebook that I created some time back, and I created the content. And what is great with such I mean, like Word documents, or this is, as I said, Open Office Write, is that you can use all the how to say, the formatting that comes with that. So the only thing that I couldn't do is the title page. And the title page I actually used Canva. It's very easy. You can actually just take a template. I mean, let's or create it yourself. You can take a picture photo, for example. So let's say beach with sunset, and then you can take this maybe as a basis here, pull it so that it fits your Canva. This is actually a format A4 that I chose to do in, and you can then use some text, for example, crypto trading for freedom, whatever. This is you can edit it. You can make it bigger, make maybe the text white, and well, I won't go in too much detail how you can actually use this. Okay, maybe this wouldn't be okay. Make it dark brown so that it's a bit contrast. You can then put the subtitles, put your author, and then you actually can export this as an image file, and you just put it on your Word document or your Google Docs document as a title page, and then you can insert a reference so that it actually lists all the chapters that you have in your ebook. And the next thing you have to do is to print it as PDF. And most of this Word, Google Docs, and so on allow you to do that. Just print your ebook as a PDF, and now you have a PDF ebook that you can use however you want. It's a downloadable file that you can put either as a lead magnet or into an online shop where people can purchase it. So I would say if you have some creativity and you are not scared to actually create some content, then it's not more difficult than that. You can also, for example, use your existing content as an inspiration, or even take the text out of some posts that you have done, put things together, try to come up with a structure, ask ChatGPT to give you some logic for the structure so that you are sure that things are easily understandable from a reader's point of view, and then you can create your first digital product in some time. It's not in 2 minutes, and but you can get there, and I made it. I create several ebooks already. It's fun. I would suggest that when you create an ebook, that you don't overdo the design part of the content. Okay, it's great to put some pictures and maybe some graphs and so on, but don't add too much colors into the content pages to avoid that people actually don't manage to read what you're doing. Don't spend too much time in that. Add some pictures, add some content, but make it easy to read, because in the end what you want is that people have a nice beautiful product, but that they can read the content of what you have created. The great thing also of PDFs is that you can actually put links into it, so that if you want to promote something in the ebook, you can link it in it and people can click these links and they are sent to the website of your choice. This is a big add-on that you can use. So if you have any questions related to this process, or if you have some suggestions or ideas, feel free to write them in the comment section. I will gladly answer your questions. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.